Hi, everybody. Welcome to you. You'll see why my hair looks like this in just a second. Welcome to you from Flagstaff, Arizona. I'm brushing my teeth here. Excuse me just a minute. You guys, check out this view. Hold on. Let me get this going here. You guys, you'll see why my hair looks like this. Check out this view that I am watching today. I'm going to turn the camera around here for just a minute. It may be too bright out for you to see. Hold on, let the camera adjust a little bit. Can you guys see that coming down out there? Do you see all that whiteness, that brightness? We have a snowstorm. Yes, we do. May 2nd, 2018 in Flagstaff, Arizona. Those of you guys who are new to our page or new to us, you don't know that this is not common for us. We're from Houston, Texas. It's not snowing. We're normally feeling like it's already summer there. So our boys are going crazy. It's snowing. It's legitimately snowing outside. Which, for our fellow Houston fans and friends out there, you already know we already had the craziness of having snow this past winter for the first time in years. So our boys have seen snow 3 times in like 5 months, and they normally never see snow. So total craziness today. But you guys, the stuff that doTERRA is putting out there this month is too good not to share with you. I don't normally jump on here at the beginning of each month and share with you things that are going on. So you know, normally in December, doTERRA offers a promotion for anyone that orders 200 points or more within that month, a free 15 milliliter bottle of frankincense. And those of us in the oily world go nuts over that because it's such a precious oil and powerful oil, powerhouse health tool in our home. And you guys, I just got off a call with doTERRA Corporate, and this promotion that they are offering this month is actually surpassing that promotion already by day 2. So let me tell you a little bit about it. For any order, that includes those who already have discount memberships with doTERRA or new people to doTERRA, anytime during the month of May, if you place an order of 200 points or more, which is essentially around $200, then you receive all of these freebies in this picture here. You get the doTERRA On Guard toothpaste, three components from doTERRA's one of the most popular blends, another powerhouse health tool. So you get a free 15 milliliter bottle of frankincense. I'm sorry, not a frankincense, of On Guard protective blend, which is so helpful in supporting our immune systems and helping us stay healthy. Anybody out there wanting to stay healthy, continuing to stay healthy? I know especially that is one of the biggest concerns that we hear about from those in the RV community since we've been traveling full time is people healthcare and how they can stay healthy when they're traveling, whether you're traveling short-term trips, long-term trips, or full-time like we are. You want to stay healthy. This is one of the biggest tools we use for that in our toolbox. So you get that for free. You get the On Guard toothpaste, which has the On Guard blend inside this, along with myrrh essential oil, which is fabulous for keeping your gums healthy. And you will love this because it is fluoride free and that is something that has now been officially labeled as a toxic ingredient that you do not want in your toothpaste. You don't want it in your water. You don't want it in your toothpaste. So, and I will say we have been using this toothpaste now for 5 years, and we have not been having issues at the dentist. So, and that's across the board that I hear from other users of the On Guard toothpaste. In fact, most of them hear quite the opposite. Or actually they hear raving reviews from their dentist, like, what are you doing differently? And many of them, all they've done is change their toothpaste. So you also get free the On Guard hand sanitizing mist, which is one of the newest items that has come on board in the On Guard protective line. And you guys, we take this everywhere. This is something I keep in my backpack. This is going to be one that you want to keep in your backpack, your purse. You have multiple of these, especially if you have kids. You can easily spray this on your grocery cart handles, and it will help we call it gloving up, because it's not necessarily just sanitizing your hands, but it's actually protecting your body like a guard, a shield. And so this is very unlike your typical hand sanitizing or hand sanitizer gels that you get. Number one, it does not have the isopropyl alcohol in it that is so drying that many hand sanitizers have. This does have ethyl alcohol, but that's very different from the isopropyl alcohol, so don't get confused. But then also, it has ingredients in here that are going to be healthy to your skin and not actually ripping your skin or stripping your skin of the healthy protectant things that keep it from protect your body and your skin. So, and then last but not least, oh my goodness, you get your free 15 milliliter bottle of wild orange happiness in a bottle right here. Those of you who know your citrus oils, if you need a little bit of more uplifting in your life, this is your go-to. Just need that extra mood lifter. In fact, let me just do this right now. Yes. I love just taking a drop and putting it in my palm of my hands and breathing it in. This is one of my boys. This is his favorite, hands down, this is his favorite oil. Actually, until he smelled tangerine the other day, which is another citrus oil, again, that very uplifting, which smells like wild orange on steroids, and then that was his favorite. But so you guys, you get all of this free. Now, if you're new to doTERRA, please don't pass this up. If you've been waiting for, I don't know, if you've been waiting for like the perfect promotion or sale where you can get the most freebies, this is the time. Because these are going to be the most useful in your house. I mean, you're going to be using these on a daily basis when you get these. You're not going to get these and bring them home and they're going to sit on your shelf. If you're those people who are still skeptical about all this oil business, we're around for the long haul. In fact, we're disrupting the healthcare industry, so we're in here for the long haul. So you can join us now or you can join us later. But you will be joining in the essential oil revolution. These are going to be becoming mainstays in homes across the world. In fact, they already are. There are 6 million users of doTERRA. So now's the best time to begin to start seeing the benefits in your own life. And that's okay if you're skeptical. It's okay to do that. But still start using them. Start jumping on board so that you can begin to get those benefits. You can still be skeptical during the whole process. That's totally okay. And so let me show you some other things. So I showed you, let me make sure I'm showing you the right thing here. So also this month, those of you who do already have memberships, so let me go back for just a minute here. So those of you who are new, skeptical, not skeptical, waiting for the best promo or whatever, this is all those items are free with any 200-point order. So if you purchase the Home Essentials Kit with doTERRA, which is one of the most popular kits that doTERRA has, which is bundles of the top 10 most popular items, and in fact it includes a bottle of the On Guard Protective Blend already in it. then you're going to get that whole set for free. So if you are looking to do that, please reach out to the wellness advocate who's been working with you or talking to you about oils or sharing this information with you, and tell them you're ready to get started. If that is us, please reach out. We have a fantastic support team ready who's on a mission to help other people with their health. And this is not something that is fly by night that you purchase and then it sits on a shelf and you don't ever know what to do with it. We come alongside you and provide resources and support that is unlike any other team. So, so connect with us and we can help you get started with that, because we're on a mission to do that, to impact more lives with their health. So I'll show you that. For those of you who do already have memberships with doTERRA, you can get the On Guard Cleaner Concentrate for 10% off this month. Again, this whole month is going to be about cleaning, you guys, and being able to clean your home with less toxins. Believe it or not, this is what I use to clean my whole house. Now, I know my whole house is only 400 square feet now, but I used this to clean my whole house when it was 2,100 square feet too. And I know you may be thinking, like, your whole house? Really? What about, yes, whole house cleans with this. And this has a full, I think it's a full, a 5 milliliter, so about third the size of this, a full of those essential oils inside this cleaner concentrate. Again, lessening the toxins in our homes allows us to live healthier lives. I promise. Okay, last but not least, the product of the month is rosemary. Now, those of you who already have memberships, any 125 point order this month, which is essentially $125, any 125 point order or more this month gets you a free 15 milliliter bottle of rosemary. And if you're ordering 200 points, you're going to get rosemary and all of these freebies. All of these. And you guys, rosemary is not only awesome in your cooking. You're going to love using it when you love using it roasting in your chicken, roasting your vegetables. In fact, comment below. If you're joining me, comment below and let me know what you love using rosemary for. Don't you just love the aroma, especially those of you who have rosemary bushes in your backyard? It's amazing, but it's a powerful herb that's also more than just enhancing your flavors on your potatoes and your chicken and things. You're going to love it for healthy digestion as well. Also for healthy respiration. This is a great one to add a drop when you're in your shower and just breathe that in. It will really help open up your airways. And great for supporting your immune system too. So you're going to love your rosemary. In fact, I'm just going to smell it right out of the bottle here. But you're going to love the amazing health benefits of the rosemary as well. Okay, you guys, let me see what else I need to show with you. I think that's it. Now, those of you who are watching this inside our private customers group, I'm going to jump on live with you guys in a few minutes and show you all of the other freebies that you're going to be able to get just by doing what you already do as customers. So I'm going to be showing you all of the brand new discounted things that doTERRA has, discounted bundles that doTERRA has for you with your loyalty rewards program, and also all of the giveaways that we're doing inside our group with the May LRP Club. So join us in there, and happy May, everybody. I'm going to show you guys one more picture of the snow because it's really amazing. Can you see it coming down? It's kind of hard to see coming down, but it's just beautiful. And we're looking out these ponderosa pine trees and just this beautiful campground, and maybe I'll try to get an image of it later, some more video of it later and share with you guys. Okay, bye everybody.